Imagine a hero, a powerhouse said to hold the strength of a million exploding suns. But what if that hero was also the greatest threat that world ever faced? That is Sentry, and trust me, guys, you are about to see him in a whole new light in Thunderbolts. He is coming, and people are asking, who the hell is this guy? Well, this is why we are here today to break it down from the very beginning. So the first thing first, Sentry's comic book debut was in the Sentry issue 1 back in 2000, created by Paul Jacques and Jay Lee with some conceptual help from Rick Veitch. They introduced him as a lost hero, a powerful force suddenly remembered who he is, but his origin is wild. So guys, it all started with this crazy experiment. Think of Captain America's super soldier serum, but 1,000 times more powerful. Back in 1947, when America created Steve Rogers Captain America, so the whole world was trying to create their own super soldier, and that's when it all started. They were trying to create a super soldier serum, but 1,000 times more powerful than Captain America super soldier serum, and they named that project as Project Sentry. After decades of research and experimenting, they failed and they gave up, and they gave this project to private sector companies. And decades later, a drug addict named Robert Reynolds stumbled into a lab, find this golden serum on which professor was working on, and he drank it without thinking, and boom, power of million exploding suns is there, and he get insane power, superhuman strength, flight, energy manipulation. Basically, he is a god, but there is a catch. He has got this dark side called the void. It is his fear and self-doubt turn into a monster. The more he uses this power, the stronger the void gets. It's a constant battle, good versus evil inside one guy. And trust me, guys, this guy is seriously powerful. He has taken on Hulk, Thor, you name it. He even blew up Molecule Man, who can change the very fabric of reality. That's how powerful he is. And now here where things get really interesting, because the serum wasn't permanent. He had to keep taking it, and over the time it started to mess with his mind. He became addicted of it, and guys, the void started taking over. Turns out the Sentry is the void. It's like a split personality thing, but with the godlike powers. And to stop void, he had to erase everyone's memories, including of his own, with the help of Doctor Strange and Reed Richards. We have seen a scenario like this in Spider-Man Far No Way Home. And after that, he lived a normal life until the memories started coming back. Then the void came back too. And guys, this is the guy who is about to shake up the MCU. Imagine this power, this unstable force, a ticking time bomb unleashed in Thunderbolts. And it looks like Val is pulling his strings in the movie. And what does she want with him? Can the Thunderbolt even handle him? Is he a weapon, a threat, or both? Get ready, because Sentry is about to change everything. And trust me, guys, you won't want to miss this, because this a superhero or a super villain has a power of a million exploding suns, and he has killed a lots of men. If you don't know about I'm talking about, so go and check out what he did in Manhattan, so you know how powerful and how dangerous his the powers can be. The void, the Sentry, the this character is awesome, and I am really looking forward to watch him in the movie. And I am really looking forward to how Thunderbolt is gonna beat him or win the battle against him. I am really looking forward to that. This is gonna be very interesting. So what about you guys? What do you think about this character? Are you excited about to see him in the movie? Let me know your thoughts, and if you have read the comics, so please share your experience about this character in the comment box below with me, and let me know your excitement about the movie in the comment box below. And if you like my this whole character breakdown of Sentry from the comics, so hit the like button. And if you are new on my channel, so click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can get the notifications of my upcoming reaction videos. So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. This is just us signing off. Peace.